In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use inside ClickUp, with a few helpful tips to make sure your data comes in cleanly the first time. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp homepage. From there, click Login. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google to access your account quickly. Once you're in, select the workspace you want to work with. This ensures the import lands in the right place from the start. Next, open your workspace settings. In the Settings menu, look for Imports and Exports. This is where ClickUp centralizes moving data in and out of your workspace. Choose Spreadsheet to begin a CSV import. You'll now be asked to set up where your data will go. Click Select Location and pick the exact space, folder, or list where you want the new tasks created. If you're unsure, consider creating or choosing a dedicated list to review your imported items before moving them elsewhere. Before uploading your file, set your import options to match your CSV. For dates, select the year-month-day format. If you see multiple date options, choose year-month-day for each relevant date field to avoid any mismatches. For fields that include multiple values in a single cell, like tags or assignees, choose comma as the multi-value separator. This tells ClickUp how to split those values correctly during import. When your location and formatting options look good, click Continue. Now click Upload File and select your CSV from your computer. A quick tip here: make sure your CSV has clear column headers, consistent date formatting, and no extra blank columns or merged cells. If you have multi-value columns, double-check that they're separated by commas so they import as intended. After the file is uploaded, click Continue to proceed. ClickUp will process the file and prepare your data. If anything looks off, it's usually due to the date format not matching your CSV or an unexpected delimiter in a multi-value field. Adjusting those settings and re-uploading typically resolves it quickly. For large imports, it can take a moment. Just let ClickUp finish in the background. That's it. You've pointed ClickUp to the right location, set your date and multi-value preferences, uploaded the CSV, and continued to finalize the import. With these steps and settings dialed in, your tasks should appear exactly where you expect them, ready for you and your team to start working.